How to fix Roblox voice chat not working. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. First of all, open up Play Store. Now tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the search bar and type Roblox. Now click on search. Now make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, go back to your home screen and open up settings on your device. To open up settings, scroll down your notification panel and open up the gear icon. Now scroll down and tap on apps. Now go to app management, tap on the search bar and type Roblox. Now select Roblox. Now click on force stop, tap on force stop and go to storage uses. Now tap on clear cache. Now go back, also go to permissions. Now select microphone. Now select allow and go back. Now restart Roblox. I hope this should fix the issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.